When it comes to digital advertising, reaching the right audience is a key to a successful campaign. One of the most effective ways to do this is by using affinity audiences. But what exactly does affinity audiences targeting mean? Affinity audience allows advertisers to target groups of people based on their lifestyles, interests, and passions. It's a smart way to connect with people who are already engaged with topics, hobbies, or activities they care about on a long-term basis. Think of it like targeting TV audiences, where advertisers can focus on those who are most likely to be interested in their products or services. This form of targeting helps advertisers connect with users who are genuinely aligned with what they offer, making their efforts more efficient. So, instead of casting a wide net, affinity audiences target people with specific pre-existing interest, which leads to a more personalized and relevant experience for the audience. In short, affinity audiences targeting is all about reaching people who share similar lifestyles and passions, just like how TV ads are designed to appeal to certain types of viewers. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.